Hello guys, so today I'm going to give you my first impression on the LS2 Challenger helmet which I have recently got, and I got this from Motor Nepal. So LS2 Challenger is a touring helmet, I would say, and it comes in this nice little carrying bag we can use afterwards, right? And inside the bag itself you'll find another bag where you can store your helmet. So guys, this is LS2 Challenger, not the carbon, the fiber composite version, and the graphics is called GP Red. There's the side profile and there's the front one, and here's the back. And I bought this in large size because my head size is around 59 centimeter, so large is good for, right, 59 to 60 centimeter I think. And this is pin lock ready. Also in the box you'll find pin locks, 100% max vision, which is good for if you're riding cold and foggy conditions, so it will prevent you from inner fogging. All right. It also comes with this glass system, which is useful for the people who wear the glasses. All right. So it somehow helps to keep your glasses snug inside the helmet when you ride. And guys, this helmet is ECE 2205 certified, or DOT certified you would say. There are various graphics for this model, for the Challenger, and I opt for this graphics, right? I know this is a grand touring helmet. It's good for touring purpose and also for the road purpose or the city purpose because it's quite comfortable. I say this is good for city purpose as well because it does not come with a double D strap, which most people say is the securest one, but it comes with this ratchet system, quick release ratchet system, right? So it helps us to get on and off the helmet when you ride inside the city. This helmet is surprisingly lightweight. As I said, it is around 1400 kilogram plus minus 20 to 50 gram. So it's quite lightweight. This comes in two versions. The Challenger F, that is, this is the fiberglass composite, it's because it's a fiberglass composite, and the C, which is carbon fiber. But this one is the cheaper one, which is the fiberglass. And the visor is secured by this lock mechanism in the chin, where you slide it towards upward. And there's a 3-step, 1, 2, and 3, where you pull on the visor. It also comes with the drop-down sun visor. And there's a sliding mechanism where you can operate. It's quite smooth. And the good thing about it is it covers the almost entire of the view. I've seen in some of the other helmets where it only covers the eyes and the nose part is quite exposed, but not in this case. By the way, this is the sticker. So let me remove the sticker to see how it looks. As you can see, it almost covers the entire field of view. The mechanism is quite smooth. Inside the helmet, it comes with removable as well as washable comfort liner. This whole part is removable, and the chin curtain as well. As I already said, it comes with quick release metal reinforced strap. I do prefer double D kind of lock, which is more secured, but this is what it is. Guys, let me peel off the front sticker to see how it looks. That's the clear visor, guys. And talking about the vent, there's huge front to vent, which is easy to operate even with your gloves on, I think. And there is an airflow system in the back as well, where you can easily operate. Now guys, the weight distribution of this helmet is quite good. And as I already said, this is pin lock ready, right? It means you can install the pin lock from the inside here. The field of view and the coverage is excellent, guys. And something else to note, as you can see, the inner sun visor sliding mechanism is on the left side. That means it will have some problem when you try to install the intercom. So either you have to move it towards the far back or to the far right, far front, or maybe you can install on the right side, or you can use the sticky mount. That's the only option I see. And this is actually the intercom ready. What I mean by that, it has, if I can show you, it has big speaker pockets inside in both sides, so you can install the intercom. And guys, this has this robust looking 3D padded cheek pad system, where the most of the sound comes from. So this helmet is quite quiet as well, I think. And if you do vlogging like I do, there's a chin curtain as well, and where you can keep your mic set up for your GoPro. And there is quite a good ventilation in the top as well. And there's the breath deflector, which looks quite good. Regarding installation of GoPro, I have to find the best way to mount my GoPro. Either I have to use a sticky mount or the strap mount, but I think we'll have some problem with the strap mount. And I think I'll make a detailed video regarding this to install the GoPro as well as the intercom system, which I'm planning to install this as well. So dig inside in my another video where I will try to install the intercom and the GoPro mic setup, and that I will cover in the next video, guys. Alright, so this is a quick look of my LS2 Challenger. So lastly, I will try to put it on to see for you guys. So see, it's quite comfortable, guys. It's really comfortable. So that's the side view. I can lock my visor like this. I have to get used to with this visor opening mechanism. Once you lock, I can just slide from shifting the visor. I have to pick the visor, open the visor from here. So guys, this is the side view, the back view. Alright. See, once I close this visor, I can't just open like this. I have to slide it up and use this lift from the front. So let me turn on the sun visor as well. With the sun visor on, how do I look? Due to the chin strap, and yeah, due to this ratcheting system, it's quite easy to get the helmet on and off. If it was a double D, I have to play with a little bit. So guys, this is my LS2 Challenger. F, that is the fiber composite version. This is not a carbon version, right? With this graphics, and the graphics is called GP Red. The initial expression is very good, guys. I will see you in the ride. Let me know how do you like this video, and let me know if you like this helmet or not. If you have any thoughts on the helmet, please write me in the comment section. Or if you are already wearing this helmet, please let me know if I missed something or I should try. I mean, if there is something else I need to know about this helmet, please let me know in the comment section. All right, thank you, guys.